Hey there, are you encountering the frustrating "you can't make this change because the selection is locked" error in Microsoft Office? Let's dive in. Step 1. Check if the document is protected. Go to the Review tab, and if the Protect Document option is highlighted, click on it to unprotect the document. Step 2. If the error persists, check for any locked sections in the document. Go to Layout or View tab, select Restrict Editing, and then click on Stop Protection to unlock the sections. Step 3. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to edit the document. If it's a shared file, contact the document owner to grant you editing rights. Step 4. If none of these steps work, try opening the document in a different Office application or in a different version of Office to troubleshoot compatibility issues. Always save a backup copy of important documents to avoid data loss or unexpected errors. And there you have it, a few troubleshooting steps to fix the "you can't make this change because the selection is locked" error in Microsoft Office. Hopefully, this resolves your issue. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech solutions, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.